knows where we're going every time.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Carlos.
Rachel.
And we are coming back from Rachel's grandparents' house. Her granddad and me built a hog fence, and they got pigs, which was exciting.
Gosh, they're so cute. Like, I just wanted to pet them. They were so cute. The one on the left is just like got its head propped up on the one in the back. Oh, they're so cute. Like, look at that face. Look at that little nose.
Rachel hung out with her grandma.
We went to pick blueberries, but they're not quite ready. They probably need about 2 more weeks. So we did that.
But overall, we just spend time with them, which is always good, spend time with family. Last time we were here is when we got married.
Must have been 9-ish months.
Yeah, about 9 months ago. And after our wedding, we were on our way to our honeymoon down to Shenandoah National Park, and our truck broke down.
And by broke down, I mean the transmission gave out.
Luckily, my family was 2 hours away, and one of my uncles picked us up. And we spent time with them for a week. And during that week, he decided that we wanted to move there. So yeah, that's a little life update. We got married, our truck broke down, we moved states.
Which was a big deal because we lived in North Carolina for the last 21 years, and then we just moved to a whole different state. So yeah, it's been a big adjustment, but it's been really nice.
We just basically vibed out this weekend, recorded some cool videos.
Yes, I hope you enjoy the views up there, and keep in mind that that is where we got married. It was family only. It was beautiful.
Yeah,
it was the best day.
It was the best day ever.
Yeah, welcome back to our channel, and we will definitely be seeing you guys really soon.
If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that like button.
Please.
Just vibe out with us.
We will see you soon. I don't want to go, but I know I'll be back soon.
Come here.